Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're soaring into the world of best drones, perfect for aerial photography, racing, and adventure. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, these drones offer 4K cameras, intelligent flight modes, and long battery life to capture stunning footage from the sky. We'll be featuring top models with obstacle avoidance, GPS tracking, and foldable designs for portability. Ready to take your drone experience to new heights? Let's get started. And as always, all the product links are in the description below. Number 5. DJI Air 2S. Elevate your aerial photography and videography with the DJI Air 2S, a powerful, compact drone equipped with a 1-inch CMOS sensor, 5.4K video recording, and advanced obstacle sensing. Whether you're an aspiring content creator or an experienced drone pilot, the Air 2S delivers stunning visuals, intelligent flight modes, and extended range transmission, making it the perfect companion for capturing breathtaking aerial shots. Stunning 5.4K video and 1-inch image sensor. The DJI Air 2S sets a new standard for image quality with its 1-inch CMOS sensor and large 2.4 micrometers pixels, delivering 5.4K per 30 frames per second and 4K per 60 frames per second video. This ensures high-resolution footage with rich details, accurate colors, and impressive low-light performance. Master Shots, intelligent cinematic captures. Take your storytelling to the next level with Master Shots, an evolution of quick shots that automatically plans and executes dynamic shots with cinematic precision. Number 4. DJI Mini 3. Experience the world from a new perspective with the DJI Mini 3, the ultimate lightweight and compact drone designed for adventurers and creators alike. Whether you're embarking on a hike, road trip, or beach day, the Mini 3 is your passport to capturing breathtaking aerial imagery. Let's explore why the DJI Mini 3 is the perfect companion for your next adventure. Lightweight and compact design. Weighing under 249 g, the DJI Mini 3 is built for portability without compromising on performance. Take it with you wherever you go, from epic outdoor excursions to spontaneous urban adventures. Its compact design ensures it's always ready to capture your moments from the sky. Extended flight time options. Maximize your aerial exploration with the option to extend the DJI Mini 3's flight time up to 51 minutes with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, sold separately and available in select countries. Number 3. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. Get ready to redefine the possibilities of aerial photography and videography with the DJI Mavic 3 Pro. This cutting-edge drone is engineered to deliver unparalleled imaging capabilities and flight performance, empowering creators to capture the world from breathtaking perspectives. Let's explore the features that make the Mavic 3 Pro a game-changer in the world of drone technology. Hasselblad main camera. Experience the pinnacle of imaging excellence with the Hasselblad main camera of the Mavic 3 Pro. Featuring a 4/3 CMOS sensor, 24mm format equivalent, and aperture range from f/2.8 to f/11, it ensures exceptional clarity and detail in every shot. With a resolution of 20MP and support for shooting RAW photos with up to 12.8 stops of dynamic range, the Mavic 3 Pro sets a new standard for aerial photography. FAA Remote ID compliant. Number 2. DJI Avata. Prepare to embark on a journey like never before with DJI Avata, your gateway to the exhilarating world of flight. From intuitive control to breathtaking imagery, Avata redefines the way you experience the skies. Let's delve into what makes Avata the ultimate flying companion for enthusiasts of all levels. Experience the thrill of flying. Immerse yourself in the thrill of flight with DJI Avata. When paired with the goggles and motion controller, flying becomes an intuitive and immersive experience. Total control is at your fingertips, opening up a world of possibilities for aerial exploration. Flight has never been easier. Say goodbye to complex controls. DJI Avata puts intuitive flight right in your hands. Number 1. DJI Mini 3 Pro. Introducing the DJI Mini 3 Pro, your passport to boundless creativity and exploration. With its feather-light weight of under 249 g, This marvel doesn't just redefine portability, it unleashes a world of possibilities. Let's delve into what makes the Mini 3 Pro a game changer in the realm of aerial photography and videography. Carefree creation. Say goodbye to bureaucratic hassles. Thanks to its compact size and weight, the Mini 3 Pro exempts you from registration in most countries. Whether you're embarking on a spontaneous hike or a planned escapade, its foldable design ensures effortless portability. Thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful, please like the video and also don't forget to subscribe our channel.